I'm Paul Tapier here again at SEMA 2017 for Auto Parts Warehouse with mile marker recovery gear and Jackie. And Jackie, I got to say, first of all, you got anything for recovery from being in Las Vegas for 3 days? Oh my! I'll tell you, we've eaten so much great food and walked 14,000 steps yesterday. How are you doing? About the same?
I'm hanging in there, you know.
All right.
Maybe not as many steps because we're right here and taking care of our customers.
Well, and you're taking care of people who need, when they're out there on the trail out there and they're getting in trouble, you can help them out. Show us this recovery gear kit that you have right here.
Absolutely. This is our saddlebag recovery kit, and it comes complete with the two D-rings as well as a 20,000 pound snatch block, your gloves, and your recovery strap. Recovery strap's rated at 30,000 pounds. And what's nice about this is it's self-contained. It holds all of the product inside, so you can actually put it over your cable when you're winching. So if the cable happened to break with all the energy stored in it, instead of it coiling back, it will just drop. So it's a really great safety feature on it.
All right, we have so much more to show you here from Mile Marker, the recovery kits, their winches, and more that you can also find on autopartswarehouse.com. Paul Tapier from SEMA 2017. We have more. Stay tuned.